Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons up here. So you guys can just click it and change your volume this way. Now, you guys cannot change the call volume in the settings. As you guys can see, whenever we go into the settings, then to sound and vibration, and then volume, we are only able to change the ringtone, media, notifications, and the system. So you guys cannot control the call volume from here, so change it while being in an active call. After that, what you guys want to do is go over to connections and make sure that Bluetooth right here is disabled, because we want to rule out any connected device like your headphones, car, or anything else. Now, after disabling the Bluetooth, what you guys can do is test another call with the phone app right here, or you guys can try another app. So for an example, WhatsApp, Instagram, WhatsApp Messenger. There's a lot of apps like that you can try to see if the sound is not working only in one app, or maybe it's just the phone. Now what you guys can do is restart the smartphone. So here what we have to do is press the power button and hold it. Now click restart and tap again to restart the device. Now let's wait for it to restart, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So now, after the restart, what you guys can do is quickly unlock the phone. And next, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for any software updates. So let's wait for the Android to start, and then we will proceed with going into the settings. Here in the settings, we want to scroll a bit down until we see the software update. Now here you need to click on download and install, and you'll basically see if you have any new version available. So now it's checking for updates automatically, and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.